Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to enable two-factor authentication on Battle.net account. So first of all, launch Battle.net application on your mobile device. Now once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon beside your name at the top left corner of your screen. Now over here, what you would have to do is simply go to the option of account settings. Now over here you'll see the option of security. Tap on it. Now from here scroll down below and you'll see the option of add phone number. So in order to enable two-factor authentication, make sure that you add your phone number so that the next time you log in to your Battle.net account, you'll get a verification code on your mobile number, and then you would have to enter it in order to log in. This will make your account much more secure and free from any malicious activities. So for now, let's tap on the option of add phone number. Over here, all you would have to do is enter your phone number. Then after that, tap on the option of continue. So once you tap on the option of continue, you will get a verification code in order to verify your phone number. After that, the next time you log into your Battle.net account, you would have to provide the verification code. So this will make your account secure. That's all for today's video. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.